Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let us discuss average problem. Let's see the question. A cricketer had a batting average of 41 in 15 innings. He scored X runs in his 16th innings. Due to that, his batting average becomes 43. Total average of 41 in 15 innings into 15 plus he scored X runs plus X runs. Then X runs in his 16th inning. Due to that, his batting average becomes 43. 43 into 63 average. Let's calculate this. Now we can get answer. 15 ones, so 15 4, 15 ones 15, 15 fours 60, 60 plus 1, 615 plus x is equal to 43 into 16, 16 into 3, 48, 16 into 4, 64, 64 plus 4, 688. X is equal to minus 615, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 1, 73. X value how much? 73. X value 73. Option D right answer.